Is that ore transporter safe? When's the last time anyone used it?
25 years ago, they brought all the bodies down.
So why bury Locust in an old mine anyway?
I heard they couldn't burn the bodies because of the crystallization. Burying them was the only option.
Yeah, but the Locust came from underground.
Yeah, well, no one said it was a good option. Come on, the dock is just ahead. Swarm!
Keep down the run! Hey! Where you going?
Just what I needed. You got it now. One dead drone! All right, now time to see if that ore transporter still runs. Let's get up those ladders. Damn it. Got him. Come on, before we lose any more time. Okay, what is it?
JD, we have no idea what's down there. We don't even know what these things are. When I run into a burning house, I want to know how bad the fire is.
Look, Del, if you're scared...
Man, don't talk to me about being scared. Right now, I don't even know what kind of house it is.
When you wanted to leave the cog, did I argue? Did I argue?
You did not.
Because I trusted you. Well, now I need you to trust me. My dad's alive, and he's down there.
Okay.
How about you?
Hey, we've come this far. We're not stopping now.
So, Del, you think it'll work?
Maybe. I mean, old Cogtech was built to last, so it should start?
All right, then. So, let's find the control station and fire it up.
Is turning this thing on a good idea? I mean, seriously, look at it.
Huh. Okay, that's weird. They left the fabricator in here.
Huh. I wonder if it still works.
Got it!
There we go. We're in business.
Yeah, great. We turned on the lights. So why didn't the engine start?
Good question. Probably out of fuel. Could try switching to the reserve tank.
Okay, where do we do that?
Well, it's just across the way on the lower bridge.
All right, on it.
I'll stay back and fire it up when you're done.
Hate those things. Okay, we're good. Start it up.
Here goes nothing.
And that's it. Down we go.
You do remember we're going straight down into a giant hive of monsters, right?
I admit, in my excitement, that I kind of forgot about that part. monsters. We got a fabricator, right? I said we fortify the control deck. It's defensible, we can cover the breach points.
Yeah, whatever. You had me at defensible.
Man, no matter what, we're gonna be on a short string on this platform.
A short what now?
String. My bad. More military talk.
Okay, so what's it mean?
Oh, it's a suboptimal situation with limited tools at our disposal.
Ah, so pretty much the usual then.
Yeah, pretty much.
Guys, you hear that? What the hell's going on?
Shit! It's those damn tendrils. They're getting caught in the gears.
We're being boarded!
God damn it! We gotta hold this deck!
Left side! Here they come!
Oh shit! Jovi's incoming!
Hey! What's that do?
Oh no! More Juvies! I got him! Get back in your
Problem
car.
over here. Oh shit! More Jovi's incoming!
Right side! Here they come! I got a bunch of them over here! Help me! Back in your car! Watch the left! They're coming in!
This is holding us.
Well, that's over. I'm sure that's not the last of them.
Then let's lay down more fortifications. Make things as suboptimal for them as possible.
Wow. You keep talking like that, Jen might make you a second lieutenant.
Oh, really? Because I'd rather die in a fire.
Hey, the way things are going, you might just get your wish.
We're getting boarded again!
They're coming in from the right!
And now we've got drones!
What's that drone? Lock this
Hostile drones are back! Damn torque boats!
I'm down! Hurry!
I'll help you out!
Feels like we really kicked the hornet's nest here.
Nah, it's more like we kicked it, played catch with it, and then wore it like a hat.
Sounds like more of them. We gotta fortify this deck. Got it. Got him. What's going on?
Ah, shit! It's those damn tendrils! They've overheated the engine!
They're coming in for another round!
All right, you know what to do.
We got Swarm on the left! Oh no, more Juvies! Hey, I need some help!
Can't take much more of this. Gotta get this rig moving.
So let's restart it!
Wait, that's not gonna work. Grinding those tendrils cook the engine. Without cooling it, we're not going anywhere.
Great. So now what?
We need to find the engine room.
Mine now.
Okay, now we're gonna have to activate the cooling system.
So, I'm guessing the big wheels on the walls, how we do that?
I see
Hey,
all
get
those
on the other
mechanical
valve.
engineering classes paid off.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's hope this works. Now, we let the coolant do its job.
Good, we're moving again.
Uh-oh. Hear that?
Looks like we're not out of this yet. Come on.
Oh shit! We got helpers!
We got more zombies incoming!
Shit! More Juvies coming in! This platform keeps getting faster!
Nell, what the hell's happening?
I don't know!
Can you fix it?
How the hell am I supposed to fix it if I don't know what's happening?
Ah, shit!
What just happened?
I don't know, but this ride sucks.
Move! Shit, we're gonna crash!
Oh! Maybe try the emergency brake!
Where?
Other side of the platform! Let's go!
We don't have time for this!
Platform fitting up!
We're running out of time here!
Shit! Get out of my goddamn way!
We don't slow this thing down, we die!
Well, that didn't work.
We're all gonna die, aren't we?
Yep! We're definitely gonna die!
Brace yourselves!
The brake's engaged again!
They still work? After all this? That's amazing!
Guys? I think we're good. Son of a bitch! Now, is everyone all right?
Well,
Surprisingly, we're good.
good enough.
Then let's find my dad.